Hello and welcome to Andy's Cornish Creations. This is going to be a quick video making just a little doorknob. Well, actually two little doorknobs in oak, about 2 inches in diameter. I've made a few, I've been working in the workshop a bit and I've made a couple of drawers, and I wanted knobs for on the drawer fronts. They're only very simple drawers. In fact, one of them is here. You can see it just there. See how I've already got the knob. One of the knobs fitted on there. But yeah, very simple project, and I'm going to be turning it on the lathe, so we'll get over there and get on with it. So I made this little gadget. With a hole through the center. It's turned so that it fits onto the chuck, and if I line the numbers up with the number on the chuck, it fits in the same place each time. And then screw the knob on. It's nice and firm. So I'll get one of the blanks prepared. I'm going to cut it roughly on the bandsaw and come back. Okay, I've got the piece of oak cut roughly. I want the drill bit. I need to mark as to the depth, because we haven't got too much to play with. I don't want to go all the way through. I've marked the center there. Drill it out and screw this one on. There. Just make sure it's okay. I think what I'll do, I don't think it needs it, but I'll bring a bit of tailstock support up. Just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. I'm not going too far. Make sure it's turning okay, and I've got it running. At 1900. I've got a pair of calipers to the width that we need. Okay, and this little bit of cardboard shows me where the hollow is, so I want to just allow a little bit for that, where I've made a little hole there. So that's where it's scooped out, and then it finishes somewhere about there. So I've got my spindle gouge, that's the word. About a 10mm spindle gouge. And I've got a parting tool just to start parting it off, just to show me where I'm working to. Take the tailstock support away. Finish off. And there. Turn the speed down. About 1200 there. We started at 80, 120, this is 240. I'm not going to make too posh a job of it. This is a handle for a drawer in the workshop that I've made. It's a very rough drawer, so the handle doesn't need to be too posh. And then down to, this is a 400 grit, this one. Whoops. It's quite fast actually, it does get quite hot. But Dean at Northern Grit Finishers has sent me this to try out, a shellac based sanding sealer. So we'll pop a bit of that on it. I have tried it on a test piece, and it's really nice. It is really nice stuff. Works very well. Just allow it to dry. And actually, if it were up to me, I'd probably leave it at that, because the sanding sealer alone leaves a really nice. You can see a bit of chatoyance on there. Really nice finish, and it'd be perfectly okay for a handle in a workshop. But we're going to go the extra mile, and Dean's also sent me this. We call it a signature wax stick, Northern Shine, Northern Grit. And it's called the Big Stick, 80 grams, and it's a let's see what it is, carnauba wax and microcrystalline wax. So this should leave a nice finish on it. So just it kind of works on heat. So get it running a bit faster, and just let it rub on the surface so that it leaves the wax on the surface. It's a very hard wax, so you do need to press on to get it to stay on there. That should be okay. And then we just need to buff it up. So we'll have it running fast. I've got this running at 2000. See if I can find a clean piece. And we just rub it and get a bit of heat into there, and it should start to polish up. Okay, so I flattened the bottom off because we've already got the hole in ready for it to be fixed to the drawer front, and we've got a lovely shine, nice simple shape. You can get your hand on nicely. No rough, no sharp edges. So we'll make a hole in the drawer front, and I'll just show you putting it on. Okay, I've marked out where I want the drawers, the knobs to go. Little drill hole through, and the other side. Put the screw in from the back. Each side. They're very much just rough drawers, just to I don't believe in making the workshop look like your front room. As long as it works, it's okay. And just screw them onto the screws. And there we go. Rain started again, but yeah, nice and simple. But of course, the two of them, they work, they're nice and comfortable, and there you go. Okay, so there we have it. Nice simple little project. A knob in oak. It's roughly about 1.75 inches in diameter, and about 1.5 inches front to back. The back's the same dimensions as the front, but yeah, nice and simple. The oak always looks nice, and the Northern Grit sanding sealer and the carnauba stick really worked well and gave it a lovely finish. So if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it that big thing, a big thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. It costs nothing, and it does really help my channel. And when you do subscribe, if you could click on the little bell, and the little notification bell lets you know when my next video is up. I'm still trying to get a bit more regular with the videos, but I really just haven't had the time recently with other things. But I'm hoping to get there so that I can do a regular video, but we'll see. And if you could leave a comment, that would be great. I do like to receive the comments, and I read them all, and I try to reply to as many as I can. Yes. So, as you could hear, we've just had a hailstone storm actually. It's just eased off, but it's been really cold over this weekend and wet, so it's not been very good for getting out and about or getting any jobs done. But hey ho, hopefully with better weather to come as spring's here. Right. Hope you all have a good week, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.